Today, I'm making another nostalgic comfort food classic, tuna noodle casserole. What was once considered to be a budget-friendly struggle meal has evolved into a family favorite that even your pickiest eater would enjoy. So stay with me for the next few minutes and I'll show you how to make it. Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making tuna noodle casserole. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You will need 3 7-ounce cans of tuna, 1/2 cup of onion, 2 10.5-ounce cans of cream of mushroom soup, 12 ounces of evaporated milk, 3 cups of frozen peas, 12 ounces of egg noodles, 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2.5 teaspoons of salt. Using medium-high heat, add your water to a large pot, then add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then bring to a boil. Now add your egg noodles and cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. After 10 minutes, turn off your heat, then drain your water. Now add your noodles, tuna, and peas to a baking dish. Now add the onions, cream of mushroom soup, and evaporated milk. Season with your garlic powder, black pepper, and the remaining 2 teaspoons of salt, then mix until all ingredients are well combined. Have you downloaded the Soul Food Cooking app? It has this recipe along with all of my other recipes. To get the app, just click on the link in the description below. Now cover with foil, then transfer it to your oven that has been preheated to 350 degrees. Allow your casserole to cook for 25 minutes. While your casserole is in the oven, we're going to make the breadcrumb topping. Add your melted butter to the breadcrumbs, then mix until well combined. After 25 minutes, remove your baking dish from the oven, then remove the foil. Now lightly sprinkle your breadcrumbs on top. Increase your oven temperature to 400 degrees, then return your casserole back to the oven and allow it to cook for an additional 10 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.